1.
Celestial Conduit in 8th.
Incinerator.
Don't. Sorry.
Electromagnetic sorting. Incinerator.
What are you doing?
Incineration. Meltdown.
Good.
Hot garbage. Incinerator. Incineration. Hot garbage.
Overdrive?
Overdrive.
Revival in 8th.
Hot garbage. Hot garbage.
Okay. People a little slow it seems.
I think it was pets, by the way.
Pets.
Invoke
Look
Chi-Ji,
at Acros
the
with
red
pets.
crane in 8th.
Can't be.
Incinerator. Incineration.
Crash in a few seconds. Yeah.
Electromagnetic sorting.
Focus the bombshells.
Celestial Conduit in 8th.
Incinerator. Incineration. Meltdown. Muscle beam explosion. Hot garbage. Garbage pile.
Grab Master CC. Grab this one.
Again,
One
behind.
R. Gotta get it. The heroic Pac-Man gonna get it. Thank you very much, man.
Electromagnetic sorting.
Get the bombshells. It's a lot around blue, sorry. Get them.
Prototype power coil. Incinerator.
Aura Mastery.
A lot of fire here. Just move the boss a little bit.
Trap rocket.
Just use some hellstones since there's a lot of fire, there's a lot of damage going on.
Nah, there's somebody at the bombshell. I will see.
Ah, okay.
Incinerator.
I don't see anybody hitting the bombshell then. Don't think anybody hit the bombshell. Whatever, doesn't matter. They're trashing.
Celestial Conduit in 8th.
3, 2, 1.
Invoke Chi-Ji, the red crane in 8th.
Bombshells killed here.
Incinerator. Rolling rubbish. Rolling rubbish. Garbage meltdown. Rocket. Muffled
With the Resident Devil, please. Drop the Scrap Masters. It's probably gonna be out.
One in the.
If it's accurate on you, Robins, please get to the boss.
Interrupt.
Incinerator.
Come on, guys, go.
Incineration.
Calm down, calm down.
Intel, please.
Revival in 8th.
Electromagnetic sorting.
Get the balls, everybody else focus the bombshells, okay? First priority. What every fucking bombshell done here?
Incinerator. Incineration.
Don't get into the boss just yet, there's a lot of bombshells.
Muffled beam explosion. Meltdown.
Okay, good. Safety with boss.
Good Barker. Get them.
Celestial Conduit in 8th.
Not this one, that's the last one. So don't just do these normally.
Second pot's coming up.
Yeah, you're right.
Electromagnetic
Guard these normal.
These balls done clean. Don't talk. Get the bombshells out. First thing, everybody focus on, okay? Really good pull.
I need help on red.
Help on red, somebody.
hot garbage. Muffled doom
Save the fucking day, whoever did
Thank
that.
you.
Good fucking job.
I got you.
Was it good fucking use of comms.
Scrap monster in the back.
Invoke GG, the red crane in 8.
Spread out, everybody. Get interrupt the trap master far. Good job, Bunkjunker. I don't know who you are, but you're a saint. Interrupt this
Just
one.
take the boss red.
incineration.
Yeah, just take the bus.
Find the prison. It ends.
Electromagnetic sorting.
Boys,
Just don't drive into a fucking bombshell, man. Just drive straight into the bus here.
Finally.
Come on now.
Give me that toy. Unlucky.
Motherfucker, I needed to die. Only kill.
Yeah, well, it's your own fault, isn't it?
Binky, fuck you! I said you got like 3